Today we are going to learn about building real-time data pipelines with Apache Kafka. We'll explore how to set up and manage Kafka-based data pipelines, equipping you with skills for real-time data processing and integration.
Real-time data processing involves the continuous input, processing, and output of data. This is crucial for businesses that need immediate insights to make informed decisions quickly. Apache Kafka is a powerful tool for handling real-time data streams, facilitating high throughput and low latency data handling. By building efficient data pipelines, businesses can maintain a competitive edge through real-time analytics and decision-making capabilities.
Setting up Apache Kafka Clusters begins with installing Kafka on your system. Understand the Kafka architecture, which includes brokers, clusters, and partitions. Configure your Kafka clusters for high availability, ensuring that your data streams remain intact even if a node fails. It's crucial to test the functionality of your cluster to ensure it's correctly set up. Consider factors such as network configurations, data replication, and fault tolerance to maintain seamless operations. With a properly configured Kafka cluster, you lay the groundwork for robust data streaming capabilities. In Kafka, producers are responsible for sending data to Kafka topics, while consumers retrieve data from these topics. Start by configuring Kafka producers to manage data serialization and specify the appropriate data format. Consumers, on the other hand, need to be set up to handle data deserialization efficiently. Balancing the load between producers and consumers is crucial to prevent bottlenecks and ensure smooth data flow. Understanding how to configure these components allows you to optimize data throughput and latency, enabling real-time data processing and analysis.
Topics in Kafka are essential for categorizing data streams. When designing data streaming topics, consider the logical grouping of your data. Partitions within topics allow Kafka to parallelize data processing, improving throughput and scalability. It's important to balance the load across partitions to prevent any single broker from becoming a bottleneck. Additionally, ensuring the order of data within a partition is key, as Kafka guarantees ordered data within a partition. By effectively designing topics and partitions, you can optimize the performance and reliability of your data streams. Data reliability and consistency are paramount in a Kafka-based pipeline. Implement data replication strategies to ensure that data is not lost in case of broker failures. Configure acknowledgement settings to confirm that data has been successfully written to the broker. In the event of data failures, ensure that your Kafka setup can recover data without loss. Monitoring data integrity involves regularly checking that the data being processed is consistent and accurate. With these strategies, you can maintain the reliability and integrity of your real-time data streams. Kafka Streams is a powerful API for building real-time stream processing applications. With Kafka Streams, you can transform, aggregate, and process data in real time. Whether you need stateful or stateless processing, Kafka Streams provides the necessary tools. Integrate your stream processing applications seamlessly with Kafka topics to enable real-time data transformations. By implementing Kafka Streams, you can perform complex data processing tasks and derive insights from your data as it flows through your pipeline. Integration with other data systems is crucial for a comprehensive data pipeline. Use the Kafka Connect framework to integrate Kafka with databases, data warehouses, and cloud services. This integration ensures seamless data flow between your Kafka pipeline and other systems, allowing you to leverage existing data infrastructure. By connecting Kafka with various data systems, you enable a holistic view of your data, facilitating better decision-making and analytics. Ensure that data flows smoothly and efficiently across systems to maintain real-time data processing capabilities. Monitoring your Kafka pipelines is essential to maintain optimal performance. Set up monitoring tools to track key performance metrics such as throughput, latency, and resource utilization. Identify common issues that may arise, such as data lag or broker failures, and implement troubleshooting strategies to resolve them quickly. Analyzing performance metrics allows you to identify bottlenecks and optimize your pipeline for better efficiency. Regular monitoring and proactive troubleshooting ensure that your Kafka-based data pipelines deliver consistent and reliable real-time data processing. Once you have a basic understanding of Kafka, explore its advanced features to further enhance your data pipelines. Implement best practices such as optimizing resource usage and ensuring security through authentication and encryption. Scalability strategies involve efficiently handling increased data loads without compromising performance. By leveraging advanced features and adhering to best practices, you can build robust and efficient Kafka-based data pipelines that meet your business needs effectively. Kafka-based data pipelines have real-world applications across various industries. In finance, they enable real-time analytics for fraud detection and trading. In retail, they enhance customer experiences through personalized recommendations and inventory management. Event-driven architecture allows businesses to respond quickly to changes in data, improving operational efficiency. By implementing Kafka pipelines, organizations can unlock the full potential of their data, gaining valuable insights and improving their competitive advantage. In conclusion, we've explored the essential components of building real-time data pipelines with Apache Kafka. From setting up clusters to integrating with other systems, Kafka plays a pivotal role in modern data processing. We encourage you to apply these skills to your projects, unlocking the power of real-time data for better business insights and decisions. As the field of real-time data processing continues to evolve, there are endless opportunities to explore and innovate. Thank you for joining us, and happy data streaming.